Today's hidden superpower is eye power. Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. I think I might need your help to unlock my next hidden superpower. Has to do with these. Any guesses? Yeah, that's right. Eye power. I need your help to unlock my eye power. And if you do these activities with me, your eyes will get super duper strong too. Come on, let's get started. Did you know that our eyes are kind of like cameras? Like cameras, they can take pictures of the world around us. And did you know that sometimes cameras have to sit on something called a tripod? That makes the camera nice and still so it can take a picture without it being all wobbly and blurry. Our bodies are just like this tripod. They have to be strong and stable so that our head and eyes can stay still and not be all wobbly. So today's movement activities are going to do just that. Help our body and eyes work together so that they can take the best image possible. Our 3 amazing and awesome activities to activate our eye power are side-to-side twists with target practice, over-unders with a ball, and upside-down bowling. For today's activities, you'll need a few different things. You're going to need a ball or some other throwable things like bean bags or a soft toy, and a target. I'm going to use this box. For activity number 2, you're going to need a bigger ball, like a softball like this. And for activity number 3, you're going to need some bowling pins or Skittles and a ball. If you don't have these, you can use anything that you won't mind getting knocked over. Okay, our first activity is side-to-side twists with target practice. Woo! This magic ball is locked up. We have to unlock it by doing our side-to-side twist. Twist, twist. Remember, your feet have to stay super glued to the spot. Whew, I think it's unlocked now. Time to put it in the target. Ooh. Oh, it bounced out. I have to do it again. Ooh. Okay, it's locked up. Let's unlock it. Twist, twist. Whew. Here we go. Oh man, that wasn't even close. Let's do it again. Whew. Okay, it's locked. Twist, twist. Whew. I'm gonna take my time. My eye power needs to kick in. Yeah! All these activities help with eye power because they wake up our vestibular system, which is located deep within our inner ears. Our vestibular system helps to combine lots of different sensations, but one of its biggest jobs is to connect the eye muscles and assist with visual motor control. So that basically means it's helping move our eyes with our bodies the way they're supposed to move. Let's get ready for over-unders. You're going to need a friend and a ball. Go grab them. Okay everyone, this is my friend James. We're going to show you how to do over-unders. First, you have to stand up straight, put your legs hip width apart. All right, and then one of you is gonna have the ball. You're gonna both look up and reach up, hands over your head, and your other partner's gonna grab it and then put it through underneath. And make sure your head's always following that ball. All right, let's reverse it. Whoa. Whoa. One more. Nice one. Remember, if you're feeling dizzy, you can jump up and down, put your hands on your head and push all the way up, or bite on something crunchy. next activity is one of my all-time favorites. You're gonna need a ball and some bowling pins. All right, let's do upside down bowling. Set up your bowling pins and then take a few steps this way. Put your legs hip width apart again. And this time you're gonna bend over, look through to see the bowling pins, and try to knock them down. Oh, let's try that again. All right, make sure your eyes are working. Here we go. I'm lining it up. Woo! Got one. Try again. Yeah! Knocked him over. Now it's your turn. Now, if it's a little bit tricky for you to get your head all the way upside down, that's okay. You can do bowling the regular way with your head up. And maybe just each time you do it, try it a little bit different. Try to get your head in different positions, because we move our head in different positions all the time, and it might be a bit tricky, but you should keep practicing. Wow, those activities really turned on my eyes. Thanks for helping me boost my eye power. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun activities. We're always thinking of new and fun things to show you to help your bodies and your brains do the best they can. I wonder what our next hidden superpower will be. Tune in next time to see. All right, see you soon. Thanks for moving with Move About. Eye power! Many ideas featured in this video are influenced from the work of Sheila Frick and Mary Kawar of VitalLinks. VitalLinks provide excellent professional development opportunities for occupational therapists, other health professionals, and parents related to sensory processing, auditory and visual systems, the core, and much, much more. See the links in the description box below for courses and resources related to the content in this video.